Hello everyone, my name is Anthony Dull with IMAGINiT Technologies, and today we're going to take a look at concurrent AutoCAD electrical projects in Autodesk Vault. Let's tackle the issue at hand. In the past, users have resorted to duplicating drawings by copying and pasting them on shared network drives or their local C drive. This practice has led to a lack of trust in the accuracy and fidelity of the drawings, as it's unclear which version of the drawing is the most up-to-date. This problem has significant implications for collaboration, version control, and overall efficiency in the design process. The solution will be comprised of 4 different components. Autodesk Vault, which will act as our single source of truth where all files will be maintained and managed. This will eliminate the practice of distributing uncontrolled copies to both internal employees and external firms. AutoCAD Electrical and the SDS PNC Toolkit, where features like the Job Work Order tool can be leveraged to identify and communicate changes being made to a substation. The IMAGINiT Vault client utilities have enabled us to confidently assert that project folders are being created both securely and accurately, both locally and within Vault. Moreover, we can confirm that all designs are utilizing the latest approved templates and supporting files, ensuring a seamless and efficient design process. This has significantly reduced the risk of errors, inconsistencies, and version control issues, allowing our team to focus on delivering high-quality results. In Vault, we are looking at an existing project that is contained all within a single folder. Files that can be found in this folder include drawings, project files, and system-generated PDFs for distribution. Searchable metadata, which is extracted from the title block, can also be seen here. For example, drawing descriptions, checked by, drawn by, and revisions to name a few. With the WDP files filtered, we can see the red arrow is pointing to the selected greenfield WDP, and the blue arrows are pointing to the brownfield WDP files. When a WDP file is selected, we can view the complete history of what drawings are being affected through that particular brownfield work order. Brownfield WDP files will only contain drawings being affected by that work order, while the master or greenfield WDP file will contain all control drawings for the substation. Drawings can be part of multiple WDP files. To start a new brownfield job, we must first stage a new WDP file in Vault using Copy Design. This method ensures 2 things. 1. We are using the company-approved WDP. 2. We are placing the WDP file in the correct folder structure. With the new brownfield WDP file set to the active project in AutoCAD Electrical, see the gold arrow. Observe the blue arrows, which are highlighting 2 existing drawings that require updates. These drawings were successfully transitioned into Vault, where they are marked as work in progress and subsequently added to the project. The red arrow points to a new drawing that was created and is now part of the project. The entire project is then checked back into Vault. As the Greenfield project progresses, it is essential to remain cognizant of changes to existing drawings and the introduction of new drawings resulting from brownfield work. To ensure seamless integration, the Greenfield WDP file must be revised and updated to incorporate the newly created drawing. This ensures that all relevant information is accurately reflected in the WDP file, enabling the project team to maintain a comprehensive and up-to-date understanding of the project's design and requirements. Here, the gold arrows point to the Greenfield project being updated to include the new drawing and then being checked back into Vault. Both the Greenfield and Brownfield WDP files, along with all drawings that were created or updated, have been successfully transitioned to their respective states. This marks a significant milestone in the project, as all relevant design information is now accurately tracked and managed within the Vault system. This ensures that the project team can access the most up-to-date and accurate information, facilitating efficient collaboration and decision-making throughout the project lifecycle. In conclusion, there is no single solution that can magically solve the complexities of concurrent design. Effective collaboration and communication with coworkers and firms are essential to determining which project to prioritize and when. We've learned that attempting to manage multiple copies of drawings in various locations is a recipe for disaster, as it can lead to confusion, errors, and wasted time. Moreover, attempting to merge drawings manually at the end of a project is a costly and time-consuming endeavor. By adopting a more streamlined approach, such as utilizing Vault and other design management tools, we can ensure that our designs are accurately tracked, managed, and version controlled, ultimately leading to increased efficiency and productivity.